Pedestrian accidents have skyrocketed in the past few years, and Orlando tops the National Highway Transportation Safety Administration list of the most dangerous cities for pedestrians. Today, we're talking with attorney William Umansky of the Umansky Law Firm about pedestrian accidents. There are over 50,000 pedestrian automobile accidents a year, and about 4,000 will result in death. When involved in such an accident, going to a lawyer can make a lot of sense. Each state and city has its own laws, and any driver violating those rules and endangering your life should be held accountable.
People have speculated why some of the most dangerous pedestrian accident cities are in Florida are based upon either the warm climate or the fact that we have an elderly population here. I'm not sure that that's the case. A lot of the accidents that we see in our firm don't usually involve older people. In fact, older people tend to drive more carefully than younger people. A lot of it has to come down to the simple fact that we're tourist destinations, and it's exceedingly dangerous when you're a tourist and you're walking around a town where you don't know where you're going, and people are careless these days. And in many cases, it's actually tourists themselves who cause the accidents because they're renting cars and not familiar with the intersections and roadways. And they're not paying attention to the traffic signs and the traffic around them. We also have a lot of construction, and with construction comes construction signs, and with construction signs comes confusion, and unfortunately accidents happen. There are a lot of commercial vehicle accidents in Florida, and people ask me, can I sue the driver and the company that they work for in accidents like this? In the state of Florida, you can sue both. There is a theory called vicarious liability. It's a very simple theory, and basically it says that an employer is liable for their employees' acts. We often go after not only the driver, but the company. Having done years of car accident work, and specifically a lot of pedestrian accidents that happen at intersections, I always talk at schools and give some advice as to how people can avoid being the target of a car crash. Everything has a reason, and the reason why lights are put in is to simply avoid crashes. When you approach an intersection, follow these three basic principles. Look at the sign. Assume that the other drivers are not paying attention. And three, get off your cell phone. If you follow those three things, probably a pretty good chance you're going to avoid getting hit by a car in an intersection.